Hi guys, this is your girl Jody from the Johnson family with KJ. We are going to go on the road in his truck. So we going that way, KJ. That way over there. Stop. Turn it that way. We gotta turn it this way. Me and KJ is outside driving around because he's been inside for a while, so I'm taking him out here today because I have the time. I just finished making dinner, so I'm gonna let him do his thing. Hi KJ, can you come out this way please? Come back to mommy. Get it back to, go over here to mommy. Come on. He's gonna crash because his hand is not on the steering. Look guys, his hand is not on the steering. He's just driving. No. He don't have his hands on the steering and he just keeps driving. Stop.
I want to win, Mommy.
Huh?
I want this way.
No, we're not going that way.
Mommy,
He having me going over here by the pool, but the pool is closed. It's winter, so the pool is closed. There is no pool, KJ. See, it's locked. You can't get inside.
Mommy.
There's no way you can get inside. Come on, let's go ride your truck before someone steals it.
What is this, Mommy?
Hmm?
It's very hard for me. Please.
It's closed. I don't have a key. It's not mine.
It's not.
Mm-mm.
It's your voice.
No. Let's go back to your truck. Let's go drive your truck.
What's that?
Go sit down and drive your truck for me.
This way?
Yes.
Mommy, go there. Mommy.
Guys, if you can see, look over there. Mr. Johnson coming on his stick, guys. I gotta pay attention to KJ right there also.
That right here.
Go right there. Guys, this little boy is something else. Yeah?